Hi everyone, welcome back to BIM through Revit tutorial. So in this session, we're going to complete the floor and the walls of the level 1 toilet over here. The methods basically are the same because you have done it in ground floor, okay? Then I estimate the process will be faster because you already have the wall types and the floor types, okay? The floor types, you remember, is concrete floor, 300 tiles, okay? Then we're going to create the same for these two areas. Before that, we're going to edit floor boundaries. As you can see from the 3D view, level 1 master bedroom, master bathroom here. We have accidentally drawn the floor over here. So we can go back to level 1, then we edit the floor boundaries, edit boundaries from here. From here, we just exclude this area, just exclude it, okay? So we have exclude that, then don't attach, okay? So from the 3D view, so you have excluded this area. Then at the same time, you're going to create a new slab for this area. So click on floor to create the 300 tiles. Of course, from the drop down list here, you can select many type of tiles, okay? But I'm going to use the same type as the ground floor, so as for training purpose. Of course, you can use more if you have enough information, okay? Just drag it and then enclose over here, then just click finish, don't attach, then go back to the section view to adjust the toilet floor, okay? So make sure your toilets always remember to have a certain drop. Let's say it's a 50 mm drop will do, okay? Then you need to touch up the boundaries. Let's say if I go back to level 1 here, I need to touch up the boundaries so the boundaries won't encroach into and overlapping to the toilet floor, okay? So adjust the boundary of the level 1 slab, avoid clashing with the toilet floor, don't attach, okay? So from the section view now you can see the drops at the wall over here, okay? If it's not accurate, then you need to redo again until you have a better quality of your model. Okay, you see that it's okay, you just accept this at the moment, okay? And from the 3D view, of course, it form like this now. Then if you want to adjust the tile line, you can go back to here to adjust tile line. Just go to shaded view, check tile line. Where's the tile line? Can't see the tile line. Go back to level 3D view, and then change the shaded. Okay, now you can see the tile lines. Normally the tile lines are aligned to the door. Once you enter the bathroom, you're supposed to can see the full piece of tile. Yeah, so that means aligned to the door. Okay, this one, align this. Okay, then next one, I'm going to create a wall type. Of course, before that, you need to break the wall. Break your wall. You know this wall is different types. Then you need to break the walls. Okay. After breaking your walls, then you can change the wall type. If you remember, it's brick wall, paint one side, and 300 mm there's a tile one side. Okay, so let's check 3D view. So this is tile, one side of tile. Okay, why this? Okay, this one I need to change back. Yeah, because okay, this is not. Come back to here, then you break the tile, break the wall type here. This one changed to non-internal plaster scheme paint. Okay, both sides. Okay, then from the 3D view, so this is a plaster scheme, then this will be the here. Then this one actually you need to change back the wall type to match with whatever we want. Yeah, so basically you need to split the wall to different types and then you create a deep wall with different wall profile over here, then this one will be the different wall. I prefer you do two type of wall separately, okay? Or you can use the stack wall method. So what is stack wall? You can actually, I will guide you to create how to create a stack wall. Actually, I have created a similar video previously in my channel. If you want to learn how to create a stack wall, which is finishes stacking over the finishes, then you can refer to my previous video. Okay, so now this one is one side and another side will be pane. Same to this one also, one side, another one side will be pane. Okay, now the tile is at different side, then you need to flip the tile, flip the wall, go back to level 1, just click on the blue arrows over here to flip the wall, and then move that back inside here. Okay, then we'll be done. Then of course you need to rejoin the wall. Let's say I'm going to join back to here, so this one is just nice terminate here. Okay, of course if you want to break it also is also okay. Okay, then this one is nice join. This one will be joined over here. This one will be joined over here. Okay, that one will be nicer joined. This will be not. Then if not, then you need to redo again until you're satisfied. Okay. Finishes join over finishes. Then this one join over here. Okay, then will be a nicer join. So now this one, of course, you need to delete it. Then nicer join. What I mean is this wall you need to go back. This wall join with this. Then this wall join with this. Then you have a nicer joint here. Okay, finishes. Of course, this door need to rotate a bit to the side. Then you have done. Of course, going into the bath area, which is a shower area, there will be another type of wall, but not another type of wall. There will be another drop over here normally. Of course, then you can, using the same method, you can create a drop over here. Okay, and I'm not going to spend more time on that because I'll need to teach you more. So you can use the same method to create the drop, another drop at the shower area. Normally it will be 20 mm like that. Okay, not much. So when during the coordination, the time when during actual construction, always there will be a problem of the drop. So when the slab, that's why you need site coordination. Normally what happens at site is the drop is not enough to perform for that shower area, because you have another, already have 50 mm drop. Then if you have another drop at the shower area, your slab will be thinner. So it's not okay for some of the structure engineer. But if it's not okay with that design, later you want to form the water sloping to the floor trap will be an issue. Okay, so it's better to have a better understanding at the initial stage of the design rather than to have a water ponding at the corner of your bathroom in the future. Okay, in here you can create another slab for that area. Let's say, okay, create this one. I select this slab over here, then you just right click somewhere. You can edit boundary, or you can, I prefer you create another slab over here, because if you create the same slab, when you align the tile line over this line, this will be also affected. So you better to have another slab over here. So we come to here to create a floor, then you create this slab around here. Okay, just encroach and just make sure it's encroached into the finishes to make it more logic. Okay, so finish that, don't attach, then you adjust the drop of the slab over here. Normally it will be 50 mm. Some developer want it to be less, but it will create the water flow issue as I mentioned. Okay, then the next step is come to this texture, you can change the texture so you can see the tiles texture over here. Then you can this, for your knowledge, this is the graphic display option. You can change the wireframe, hidden line, shaded, even realistic, and graphic display option. You can change to shadow if you can't want to cast ambient shadow. And you just apply, okay. Then you can see the ambient shadow that normally that you can see from the brochure. You have a nice ambient shadow. Then if you want to cast a real shadow from external, you can cast the shadow, then you apply, then okay. Then depends on your sun setting. If you have a sun setting, sun setting depends on your location of your project, okay. So you want a sun path, then you can actually go to the set the sun path. This is a sun path for you to study the sun option, okay. Okay, just want to teach you more. You can come to here to disable the section box. Then from here you can change to realistic view. Revit will let you have a nice realistic view. Then you need to turn on the sun path. Use a specific project location and date time. Then you can see the sun path. Then you can see you can study the sun and shadow for your project, okay. Then you need to have your shadow to be turned on, cast a shadow, cast ambient shadow, then you okay. After clicking on okay, then you can see the sun path, okay. Of course you can move the sun from what time to what time, then you can cast the shadow and you can see. So the sun, it depends on the location of your project. So where to set the location of the project. If you can go to manage tab here, you can see the project information. This is the project information. Then this will be the project location. Click on this location, then you can search whatever you want. Of course you need to be online, yeah. So let's say it's Australia, then you search on Australia, and you're supposed to have your maps over here. Then you just click in like this one, then you click OK, then you will affect your sun path, okay. So after setting the location, you can double check whether the location is set. So after this, okay, so okay, then done. This is just a little bit extra knowledge for you, yeah. But if you are okay with that already, then we proceed with that, okay. Proceed with this. So we come to here to split the element up. This one is splitted, then this one will be splitted. Then we change the wall type to one side, okay. From this one, then we need to split. Click on split element. Now I split over here. Split a little bit more is also okay, because I'm going to adjust the position of the wall like this, okay. Then you join it back. The same to here, this one. Come back to here, then you join it back. Okay, then we combine. I'll change this wall type. We can't join because we want to change the wall type, yeah. So we unjoin this at the moment. Then we change the wall type to the type that we want. Let's say this tree type, and we change to one side is type here like this. So this also same. Change to one side tile. So make sure that all the tiles are facing inside. Go back to here. Okay, these two are not facing inside, then you need to change that, okay. So these two, yeah. So we come back to here to click on this, and this one, click on this. So after that, we go back to a wireframe view to have a better look on the project, and move that inside to here. Then this one also, we move that in. Okay, after that, we are almost done. Okay. Okay, now the next step is, as usual, go back to the shaded view, then we align the wall tiles. Remember, always the wall tiles is aligned to the entrance. That's normally what architects do. Okay, so the wall lines will be aligned to the floor lines. So make everything uniform. Then this one aligned, and then this one aligned. So everything is aligned. Of course, it's a base. Is aligned. Click on align. So horizontally aligned to the wall. So everything will be the full piece at the bottom and it at the entrance. That's called the tile setting line. Okay. Then we turn back into the realistic. Then after that, you can see everything in realistic. Nice. Okay. Then come back to here. You join back your wall. Then after joining back your wall, then you are almost done at level 1. So next thing that's going to proceed is building the roof. Okay, just gonna tell you that the roof tool is in the architecture tab. Then this is a roof tool. You can very fast to model your roof, but that will be several way to model your roof. I'm gonna tell you few methods: the roof by footprint, roof by extrusion. Then of course you can use the massing to create your roof, and then you can use the Form It, which is the Autodesk plugin to create your roof. Okay, 3D sketch by Form It. Okay, turn to 3D sketch, then you can use this model to put inside the Form It environment. Then you can create the model like SketchUp. If you know SketchUp, then you don't have any problem to learn 3D sketch in Form It. Okay, so I guess that's all for this session. Thanks for joining.